Remember, the sensor needs to sense the block.
Just launch it off the end and then it drives itself across with this up here.
Controlled chaos. I find that to be one of my favorite learning environments.
Are you using your ultraviolet to detect the cube, right?
Kids are free to explore, experiment, work at their own pace, and basically come up with their own solutions.
Got a touch sensor and a claw to pick it up. There we go.
We use the robots. We get challenges.
Go forward on an elevated clothesline until the robot sees the companion cube, and then it goes forward, picks it up. Then it goes forward until it touches the pole on the other side.
8th grade Advanced Robotics, and the idea behind the class is to take the basic fundamentals of robotics that they learn in 7th grade and really kind of push them more towards the engineering aspect.
We could come up with our own designs for the robot, and that we didn't have to go off of certain directions. We could just kind of come up with things on our own.
What we did was we had a grabber that operates on a motor with gears. It was kind of hard to figure out the placement of the gears because they're not meant to go into triangles.
We do a lot of work with design and creating different types of robots instead of just the ones that come in the box.
He gave us options to choose for what we want to do as our challenge.
We try to build it. If it doesn't work, then we make changes. 2 different times during this class, I've had to totally scrap an idea and start all over again.
Well, whenever they make their project, first off, they need to understand what they want to do before they actually build. You can't just start throwing parts on and be like, and it's a dinosaur.
It's more creative. You get to do what you want.
Get to work with other people.
Using the new EV3 robots with the program software that comes there, they use the iPads as not only notepads to write down measurements, calculations, to-do lists, but they can also take pictures, document with video, and they can go back and look at it in slow motion.
The cord gets in the way then, so that it happens. How close is it?
7 points. So where this moves, as well as the wheels.
We're striving to push kids into the engineering design field, trying to definitely fill that aspect of it. They're coming in here with a really good understanding of science and math. We're just kind of directing that to this is what all this is leading up to.
It looks too low, it hits the ground. Peter, it works. Peter, you don't need to change it.
Okay.
We just needed to put this so it says it.
Okay, fine.